let's talk about analog to digital converters, ADCs. ADCs are electronic devices that transform analog signal to discrete signal so that we are capable of analyzing and interpreting it within the system. The process of ADC passes through three distinct phases. The first one, sampling. The second one, quantization. And the third one, encoding. Within the first one, sampling, we are making sure to fix the time intervals at which we are downloading and getting the amount of data that is needed. Within the second one, quantization, we are measuring the amplitude and understanding and assigning the value for what we have sampled. The final and the third step is the encoding. The encoding, this is where we transform what we have measured and what we have assigned into a binary code that we can use in subsequent stages. Certain applications of ADCs are audio processing, communication systems such as modems and wireless routers, and sensor interface. And that's what ADCs are.